a novel composition with ovarian maintenance function and application targeting cell genes and gut microbiota. The ovary is an important reproductive organ for women and is responsible for secreting female hormones and producing eggs. Ovarian dysfunction leads to premature senescence of women and cause the occurrence of diseases such as delayed menorrhea, infertility, polycystic ovary syndrome, which seriously endangers women's physical and mental health. However, the current treatment is mainly based on drug hormone therapy with obvious side effects. Our invention provides a natural composition with ovarian maintenance function, comprising 30 to 45% sheep placenta peptide, 5 to 15% theaflavin, and 1 to 5% salmon ribonucleic acid, lipoic acid, collagen peptide. All of them are extracted and freeze-dried by patented process to ensure the full dosage of the active ingredients, while the harmful stuff is removed. It can not only improve ovarian vitality effectively, but also improve ovarian-related syndromes. First, the composition can improve the resistance of ovarian cells to oxidative stress by stimulating the gene expression of anti-oxidizing enzymes such as SOD and reducing that of MDA, which consequently alleviates the inflammatory state of ovarian tissues. Second, the composition can significantly reduce the levels of luteinizing hormone and testosterone and increase the level of follicle-stimulating hormone, and therefore reducing the blood androgen level for PCOS patients and alleviating their symptoms. Meanwhile, the serum lipid parameters are significantly reduced by supplementing the composition to the PCOS patients, facilitating their fat conversion and reducing insulin resistance, which is a key reason for PCOS occurrence. Finally, it was found that transplantation of fecal microbiota from women with PCOS enriched in bacteroids, while gatas colonized recipient mice resulted in increased disruption of ovarian functions in infertility. The metagenomic sequencing and analysis showed our composition can reduce the abundance of this harmful bacteria in PCOS patients' gut. We have applied an invention patent in Netherlands for our novel composition. Also, we are already selling our products formulated with the composition in the market and has already benefited over 200,000 Chinese women. Thank you for watching.